In this video I talk about data replication and the local first strategy in Fleetly. Fleetly follows a local first strategy, so all the data is stored in the browser and not remotely. If your browser is available to others and you don't want to share the info, you can delete it here. But of course then that cannot be recovered. Fleetly also supports cloud storage, but the local first principle remains. So you have a storage in the cloud and all data is replicated into a local database in your browser. So if I do F12, I can show you that. Here it is stored and you can see all the revisions of the fields and paths. So this replication mechanism is very powerful. In the diagram I show what we did, replication of two browsers with the cloud database. But you can also add the database to a robot. The replication will work, so all information is available on your robot. If you have a fleet of robots, not every robot needs to be connected to the database. Here in this overview I have 3 robots on a LAN. One robot is having contact with the cloud, and that may be temporary. The other robots replicate from each other, so do not need an internet connection. Now let's see the replication in action. Now you see 2 browsers, Chrome and Edge, and we want to show you what happens if I create a new field in one of the browsers. You see it gets replicated in the other browser. And that also goes when I alter a point, save and refresh. So that's pretty much what happens if both are online. I disconnect now, so what happens if we go offline? Replication can only occur when these 2 databases are connected somehow. So if I cannot reach my cloud database and change things, well, then I will create different versions. So that's shown here. I will alter this field, and also in the other browser I will also alter it. Now I have 2 versions of this field, so I reconnect the internet and see what happens. I get an alert in the replication tab. Let's open it. Since one browser won, that new field was added to the new revision, so the other lost and the field created in that browser did not make it in the new revision. Here I can retrieve it again, so let's do it, and you will see it gets added again, so it is not lost. The other is conflicting field, that is this field, and I changed this one in both browsers. I click on the right button to retrieve the deleted version and the field gets updated with that version. So if you are interested in this, please reach out to me. So having the database on the robot itself is done in the same manner and allows you to have the tasks and fields available offline. So you are not dependent on the cloud to send paths to your robot via MQTT as shown in different videos. So this is a robust addition to what direct cloud to robot communication has to offer.